Okay, hello YouTube. Here's our rental car 2011 Chevrolet Malibu LT. It's going through the Super Suds car wash in Rockford, Illinois, on Perryville. Yeah, the guys are scrubbing and prepping it down. And yes, this is my first Super Suds car wash video. Yep. And the guys they're washing the car. And yep, we're here at the Super Suds car wash in Rockford, Illinois. Yep. And the guys are prepping and scrubbing the Malibu. Yep, my very first video with this. Yep, the Malibu it's gonna go in a second. Yep, so I'm not very well versed in car washes, so I don't even know what tunnel wash this is. Oh, there goes our Malibu. They take those little wheels, they're about to take it in. There's pre-soaking going on. There's soap spraying on the car. Yep, so it's spraying pre-soak. There's a 2-basket thing. There's Cadillac DHS or DeVille behind our Malibu. Yep. And I'm gonna walk right here to the next window. You see the car. Yeah, there's underbody flush. And there's brushes. And I think there's triple clear coat, which we didn't get until we got the very expensive wash. There's little brushes. I'm gonna squirt the Malibu. Yep, there it is. There's a side-to-side thing. 4 baskets. Side-to-side mirror thing. There you can see them. Wow, we got blasted. Yep. And now I'm gonna walk here to the very back. Yep, there's the rinse spot free. And now there's the dryers. The dryers are drying our Malibu. Yep, there's 2011 Chevy Malibu LT. Our rental car, which you just saw, it just went inside the wash. Yep, there's the Malibu. And the dryers are drying the whole car up. I'm gonna walk right here to see the Malibu. Yep, there's the Malibu. There it goes. And it's all nice and clean. So that's it. That was the Super Suds car wash in Rockford, Illinois. Thanks for watching.